The first one, we need to add these lines to half file. Go to the CDs and go to the window folder, go to system, and go to drivers, etc folder, and right click on hot file, go to security tab and edit. We need to choose the user PC. The name of user PC depends on your PC name. My PC is a laptop i9e95J, and select all allow and apply yes. This operation allows you to open the host file and you can edit this file, and you can paste these lines here, and you can save this file. Do like this first. This operation to make sure developer cannot detect your PC have a program. After done, we open this new files and run installation files from this one. Continue and go to this and select solve. And we select your local files as source and refer to the data file and OK. Okay. Let the license file inside cross license folder is, and we select the I have read and accept the agreement. Okay, and install. It's a installation folder. You can change to other date. In my case, I put in default cd program files folder, and inside it, make sure we unselect launch Vectorworks 2025 after the installation. We have more steps to do activation. Please wait until finish installation and continue next step. Okay, after complete installation, we go to graph folder and copy this file. In page, right click, open file location, embed here. Now we can run program administrator, or we can right click and property and set up every time run as administrator and apply line here. Nhiều bài, nhiều phương án thì có cách nào ta đỡ cái đấy được không? Từ xưa chủ tịch từng dần và lão cô gái ở dưới. Okay, after loading, we can see the program interface will open. Remember, don't download and update because this graph file only for this release. Okay. You can see. That is all step for installation of Vectorworks 2025 update 6. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.